So welcome to the May edition of the top 3 movie TV streaming websites, which are all 100% free, 100% legal, and more importantly, don't require any kind of registration. Now, the first one we have in the list is called Zumo Play. Now, this is just a phenomenal website. They've got so much content for movies, TV shows, and they even have live TV. Now, we can see it directly on the page. You've got the live TV guide, which shows you a fully working EPG, the electronic program guide. So you can see a preview of the channel that you're on, and you can see all of these channels are included. Let's go over to free movies. Now you just have a massive library of free content, free movies, lots of popular content. Here, for example, we can see is Code. Let's click on that. I can click on play, and literally in less than 5 seconds, I'm now streaming this movie directly on my device. That's working absolutely fine. I can forward that a bit. That's working great. Let's go back. Let's go to TV shows. Here we see lots of different popular series, everything from Crimes of the Century to The Redemption Project. You've got the categories up here. So classic TV, comedy, paranormal, reality. Let's try this one here just for a quick test. You can see you've got more than 173 episodes just in this first season. Let's just try episode 3. Just to show you that it's not just one episode, one movie, as these are all official licensed websites. You really can go ahead and access all of this content absolutely free, and of course 100% legally. So that's the first one on the list, which is Zumo Play. And the next one we have on the list is actually YouTube. So many people don't realize that directly on the YouTube homepage, they've actually got a dedicated section for free movies and TV shows that you can access on pretty much any device. Here we can see the section is here, movies and TV. I can click on that, give that a second, and I can now see free with ads. Let's click on that now. And there you have it, guys. We now have access to a massive library, all of these free movies directly hosted by YouTube that you can access with a couple of clicks. So here, for example, is Max. Let's click on that, give that a second, and you're now streaming that movie directly through YouTube. And as it's YouTube, you're not going to have any issues with buffering or stuttering because they've definitely got the bandwidth to handle all of the users that want to access this free content. And that's working great. Let's back out of that. So you can see movies, thriller movies, science fiction, horror, romance, westerns, music, documentary. I go to view all, and you can now see the entire list of free movies. So super easy to use, and you really do have access to a massive library of all of this great content directly on youtube.com, which is the next one in the list. Now, before we continue, let me just quickly share this QR code that if you are looking for a fantastic offer for a ridiculously fast VPN, stay safe online, change your IP address, access geo-locked content, protect your privacy, you definitely want to go ahead and scan this QR code for a superb discount. The next one we have is Sling Freestream. So as you can see here directly on their homepage, they have this new free offering called Freestream. I can click on Stream Free and now get access to all of this content on here. So everything from some live TV content to must-see movies. Here, for example, is War of the Worlds. Click on that, give that a second, and you can see, guys, no registration, no pop-ups, and we're now streaming this movie directly on sling.com. That's working great. Let's back out of that. Let's go to On Demand so we can see the entire list of video on demand. And here you can see it, guys. So lots of your favorite genres. You've got action, you've got comedy movies, comedy TV, reality TV, cartoons, drama, romance, classics, family, game shows, paranormal. You get the idea, guys. There's lots and lots of content, all properly categorized. Here, for example, we've got Man vs. Food, quick test. Let's click on that. Click on the latest episode. And in less than 5 seconds, we can see that starts streaming straight away. That's working absolutely fine. So that's Sling TV, which is a great repository of some live TV content, but also lots of movies and TV shows. In fact, you can actually click on TV shows here. Just have a quick look, and we can now see all of those TV series in here. And again, it's not just one episode per TV series. Here, for example, is Hell's Kitchen. We can see there's 22 seasons for you to binge watch and go through. Here, for example, is season 21. And let's get down to season 18. Just a quick test. We can see random episode. Again, in less than a few seconds, that starts streaming straight away. So that's the next one on the list, which is Sling Freestream. The next one on the list is Tubi. Now, this has had so many updates in the last few weeks. Really, they just added in thousands of more TV shows, thousands of more movies, and just lots of great free content you can consume on all of your favorite devices. We can see directly on the homepage, we've got some of the popular content here. Lots of different categories, lots of different things. So everything from most popular to leaving soon to sci-fi to romance. You got a section for movies. Let's click on that. And you can now see just a massive library of movies, all for you to access directly on here. Here, for example, is Goonies. I can click on play, and again, in less than 5 seconds, guys, that starts streaming straight away. Didn't see any adverts, no pop-ups. I can go ahead and consume all of this great content. Let's go back to TV shows. And here we see some of those different TV series that you can access directly on here. Everything from Haven to The Lost to Spartacus. Lots of different things. Again, all the episodes, all the seasons. Here we can see some of the other ways to access his content. Here, for example, we can see staff picks. And you can now see some of the very popular content that the staff have picked. So that's the next one in the list, which is tubitv.com. Next up, we have Plex TV. So again, this is just a massive website. They've got lots of live TV channels, but also movies and VOD content. So here we can see directly on the homepage, lots of different options here. But I can also go to the top, click on demand, and click on movies and TV shows. This now shows me all of those movies and TV shows available directly on this platform. You can also break the content down into different categories. So if I'm only looking for action, I can click on that. I can now see all of the action-based VOD content available for me. Here, for example, is Blitz. Let's click on that. I can now see some information about the movie, the cast, how long it is, the rating. I can click on watch for free. And again, in a few seconds, I should be streaming that directly onto my device. And you can see it's done exactly that. I can forward that a bit, and that's working great. Let's back out of that. So you've got Plex Picks, you've got most watched, you've got most popular in the US, you've got Quest, you've got Cage Raid, Leaving Soon, Comedy Gold, recently added, True Crime, Best of the West, just lots of different things. That's working great. So that's the next one on the list, which is Plex TV. The next site we have is Popcorn Flicks. So you can see directly on the homepage, to show you some of the popular content available. You've got Spotlight, you've got New Arrivals, you've got Action Amplified, Prime TV picks, you've got some blockbusters, some intense dramas, sci-fi. Here, for example, you can see Highlander. Let's click on that. Give that a second, and that starts streaming straight away. That's working great. Let's go back to movies. So you've got featured picks, you've got mobster movies, lots of different categories, Space Invaders, edgy comedies. I'm sure you'll find something of interest in here. That's the next one on the list, which is Popcorn Flicks. And last, and by no means least, we have one of the OGs, PlutoTV.com. Now, this really does have one of the largest libraries of both movies, TV shows, and even live TV. Directly on the homepage, we can see we've got Home, which has some of the popular content. We've got live TV. Then we have the on-demand section. Let's click on that again. And we can now see all of these categories on the left, from your movies, action, Black Collective, comedy, classics, documentaries, westerns, sci-fi. All your favorite genres are there. Let's try sci-fi. Here we can see the amazing Star Trek. Let's click on that. Deep Space Nine. I personally was a fan of The Next Generation, but let's click on watch now. Just to show you how easy it is, that literally one click and you really can go ahead and enjoy some of the best movies and TV shows all on this website, again, without requiring any registration. That's working absolutely fine. Let's back out of that. And it even supports continue watching. So if I go back to that, anything that I previously started, I can now see at the top here, again, without requiring any registration. So just a superb website, and I'm sure you'll find something to watch. The only thing to mention that some of these websites will do a check to see, are you coming in from a supported region? And the way they do that is they check your IP address. Now, if you're looking for the easiest way to change your IP address, I'm based in the UK, but right now I'm using a USA IP address. And with a USA IP address, I can access all of the content I've shown in this video today. And that is one of the main benefits of using a VPN, that not only does it protect your privacy, it keeps you safe online, it protects you from hackers, from people trying to snoop in, but it also allows you to change your virtual location. Right now, there's a superb offer where you can get total protection for all of your devices, all of your applications, your add-ons, your APKs, your streaming apps. All of them can be covered with the VPN, and they also give you unlimited connections. What that means is it doesn't matter if you've got 3 Fire Sticks, 10 Android TVs, 2 laptops, all of those devices, unlimited devices, will be covered with a single license. You get blazing fast speeds, so zero buffering, and they also have a verified no logs policy, so they're not logging anything, they're not monitoring anything. You really can stay anonymous whilst using this VPN. You can access all of your favorite applications, your Netflixes, your BBC iPlayers, your Hulus. All of your streaming applications can be unlocked by using this VPN. And to get all of that for just over $2 a month, I do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.